Hello everyone, you are watching Daily English, Day 10, from TeacherTechTube. This is Sam, your personalized English speaking coach. Today I am gonna teach you 15 ways to congratulate. 1. Well done. 2. Congrats. 3. Congratulations. 4. Please accept my warmest congratulations. 5. Please accept my heartiest congratulations for your promotion. 6. May I congratulate you on your success? 7. It was great to hear. 8. Fantastic. 9. Let me congratulate you. 10. I'd like to congratulate you. 11. I'd like to be the first to congratulate you. 12. I must congratulate you on your achievement. 13. Allow me to offer my warmest congratulations. 14. Allow me to offer my congratulations on your grades. 15. I am glad for you or happy for you. Thank you for watching it. Please subscribe to TeacherTechTube and stay for future updates by clicking the bell icon. Cheers.